Fine, let us start solving fourth problem here. Simplify the following question or expression or fraction. Let us simplify it. What they have given, 4 1 by 6 that divided by 2 1 by 8 of 1 by 6 minus 4 1 by 6. Here you should know, first of all, you have to convert it into mixed fraction to improper, right? Then you should know the concept of V, that is bod mass. You know what is bod mass? Bod mass is nothing but what? Bracket of means what? Multiplication before division. But here they have given half, that is you need to be careful about it. Multiplication before division. Let us first convert it into improper. Of 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. Here you need to multiply and you need to add it. 24 plus 1 25 by 6 that divided by 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17 by 8 of 1 by 6 minus 24 plus 1 25 by 6. Right, here first of all we have to complete this operation, that is going to be 25 by 6 that divided by 17. So I need to multiply this. Before this we need to multiply 8 6 are 48 minus 25 by 6. Now what we need to do here, we have to go with the division. So how you are going to divide? That is 25 by 6. Division will become multiplication, and as well as the denominator will goes to numerator, and as well as numerator will comes to denominator, that minus 25 by 6. Now 6 1s are 6 8s are 48. Now multiply this. 25 8s are 200 by 17 minus 25 by 6. Now take a LCM for this. 17 for 17 and 16 LCM, so we can't divide, that's what the multiplication. The product of this is nothing but LCM. 60 42 102 7 6 are 42, right? 2 4 carry 6 1 6 plus 4 102 is the LCM for this, right? 17 6 are 6 into 200, that is 200 into 6 minus 25 into 17. Now simplify it. This is going to be 1200 minus 25 into 17 250, 25 into 17. So 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 175, 5 and 2, 5 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry 425 that divided by 102. Now further simplification is required. Here 10 minus 5 is 5, right? 9 minus 2 is 7, right? 11 minus 4 is 7. 775 by 102. So now this we are supposed to convert it into mixed fraction, right? That is 775 that divided by 102. 102 7s are 7 2s are 14, 1 carry 1, 7 1s are 7, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, 61. This is remainder, this is quotient, and this is divisor. We know how to place it. So that is Q R D. What is Q here is 7, R is 61, and D is 102. So this is the answer for this.